get hungry belly. Sing, Alicia, Lord of mercy. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I know.
All right, you see, this is my friend, so I can do this intro. Like a dog to a bone.
Like Sans to the hourglass.
Like Sans to the hourglass.
So are the days of our lives.
She just can't resist his cooking. She smells the pot from miles away, and by the time he's done, she's right at his doorstep. Even if he's trying to spray her down with water, run her out in the yard, do all manner of things. If you don't believe us, just take a look.
Go on to your yard. You're not getting no food today. Go on to your yard. You're not getting any food today. Them just a pop up, so. You're not getting no food. Take this on me. Me don't have no big belts today, but you can burp like a baby. Me nah no big belts today, but you can burp like a baby. Take this on me now. Me not laughing at you. I saw you get it today.
Can you wake me up?
Yeah.
I wet up my kid.
Me nah no big belts today. You can burp like a baby.
Hot.
Yeah.
This fuck.
Oh man. But you know, no shame there, Toya, because all the running around you.
Listen to me. You see, with them, the finger licking good food, nothing can stop you.
Shame go aside.
Have to put aside.
Okay.
So you have to differentiate.
Belly
Taste
come
good
first.
and shame. So my little belly come first.
Okay, praise the Lord.
Yeah, of course, television host Toya and DJ Ruxie. Listen, welcome to Daytime Life.
Thank you for having us.
Thank
you for having us.
How did you guys become friends?
Long time. Like too long. A long time you get running. I know, like nowadays or yesterday or last week or day before yesterday.
Yeah.
I 40 years I running. But through me know where they behind the running, me not stop running.
Yeah. So a long time you know say can cook? A long time?
Yeah.
But yeah, man, it's our family.
I'm not asking about Ruxie.
Me jump fence, me hide behind the car, me go. Me don't say, cause him post everything. Me no hold back because me know where I go come after that. One nice plate of food. But all the time we get drinks, alone water me I get.
The worst the day that doesn't.
See, where's the water wet you up with it, man?
Yeah.
You're cooking. Who teach you to cook? A lot of people, you know, them mother, them granny, somebody, you know, a big woman in the family or something.
All right, my mother, my sister, plus I go school feed. So, it's a family thing. Everybody in my family can cook. So, I just love it and take it to another level. I actually used to have a restaurant like 2 different times, but it come with too much work. And you know, I do music too.
Right.
So, I have to choose.
And then meet out the profit.
Yeah, not even that. Like,
No, we're true.
Like, I have to choose, because it now add up with the time in my job and the cooking. So, I have to just choose the music and just keep the cooking in my finger. Them, you see it? So, I cook every day because I don't actually eat from people, like, you know. Because I try a whole heap of restaurant out there and it not really.
You know, I realize it's the people who can like cook and bake and sew and something that they're very skeptical about
eating out,
and stuff like that.
Yeah, and me as a youth, I deal with my thing proper. So if your food not really proper, like how me that cook it, it not really make no sense.
But boy, you give me a water basket for carry water because all your woman know she's supposed to afraid to cook for you. Who wouldn't cook you, you know?
No man, she can't cook too, man.
I'm saying, come, let me show you for the whole knife stuff.
I mean, can't cook, she can't cook.
Okay, you're a teacher.
But, I mean, we see her on Toya all the while. I will say, you post other persons who come at your house for the cooking.
Yeah.
I mean, how does that make you feel though as a person to know that your friends and people who love you appreciate your skills that much that they may turn up and regardless of how you treat them, they're going to stay for you?
Yeah, I feel good because basically me and them is not everybody really come at the house, I video them, but I have a couple of them and me and them have a chemistry.
Yeah.
So when me do with the video thing, it come like it make the whole world have a vibes. People can just go up on my Instagram and just catch a vibes and laugh and, you know.
You charge them? You charge them?
Them? I charge them?
Yeah.
The charge them, I charge them, I have to run them. That's how them charge. So, I bring daily joy in a people life, like when they watch it. So, I just continue to do it. Because I remember say, and everybody really can reach out or come direct for your food. So when them see it on the gram now, them can hold a joy.
You ever feel like you don't want it, like you're sick, you feel like physically?
No, man.
They're under the weather one day and them still turn up at the grill.
No, man, every time them turn up, me ready same time, man.
But for some reason, you know, them always know when to turn up tires. Like you have the watch, the clock, the timer.
Because the hunger way, them not turn up is less me cook and don't post none at all. But them put on them notification.
So you invite them? Are
No, I invite. No, I invite a
them.
notification them have for me.
When say the pot come out, so.
Yeah, them have notification. Because actually I go deal with a cookout like the 29th of the month, yeah.
You see that? I'm telling you.
And then after that, I try to do one pop-up Wednesday something. You see it? That's enough people that love to get some food, but some of them that love to buy it. You see
So
it?
she cut for your ears.
That.
But it's a good business. It's a good business idea.
Yeah, a real good business. That's why I tell you, so I do it already. I know what it is, and it's a real talk. It's a real, everybody in the world would love to taste my food, we acknowledge what me I do.
You see, next time do your father daytime life?
With your too long hand, not sure.
Yeah, but me check say me that come see a local kitchen in night.
No, you want to cook or you want to cook here?
Yeah, me that do that quick and fast, so no man.
No, but you can't do that because when you normally cook, you cook a lot or you cook a little bit?
It no matter. I can cook for you and her alone. And
no, you can't do that.
You can't, people always pop up.
People are going to fall to DJ Romel over there. So
yeah, but just show you so I can cook for you and her alone. And when I share the 2 on the food, nothing left in the
Me not parking lot.
No, she going to the parking lot. The camera.
Yeah, easy.
And then Toya and her portion size. How you feel about your portion size all the time, darling?
Big up Shiwi anywhere she there right now in the yard. Big up Shiwi, cause it's a Shiwi plate. Me get servings. I mean, I share a pack of plate.
Who is she?
So you see last video I posted that.
The person who not watch.
Yeah, I have a cat. Me have a cat at my
Shiwi is the post.
Me have a cat.
Well, I stop. Did she say she use
Shiwi?
No, mama, I have some the plate. You know
Shiwi size.
You know the smallest part of the plate them like that.
Yeah.
I that me feed my cat, you know.
So that your feet, Toya?
Oh, you have a pack of them where you take out.
Yeah.
But you see the secret behind Shiwi plate? You don't know one. You know the size plate after Shiwi plate. And that's the judgment they will put. You understand? So I don't really worry about Shiwi plate when I see Shiwi plate come on. Because I know what come behind Shiwi plate. But I can't too sure no.
But let me ask you, at any point, your conscience bother you like you go over there and say,
Not today.
No, me not have no conscience, none at all. Sorry.
My bar off all my door.
Yeah,
My bar off all my door and it not work.
me knock on my weight. I wait till him answer. Cause I'm watch you know. And him wait. Cause him come. He might take long but him.
So Mother's Day come up, right? And I know.
and for persons who actually watch DJ Ruxie's Instagram page, you will see that Toya has a daughter. One time, Toya sent her daughter to collect food.
Yeah, man, I'm looking at this, man.
Ruxie give she the food at the dog. Go home, dog, yeah, man.
Yeah, because me have to deal with her, so because if me not deal with her, so blessings not going to get me. So me have to lock up blessing in the house and make sure wait outside.
You think something special for Mother's Day, though?
Or something special for Toya for Mother's Day?
I don't think she's special. That's
Never bound off with a circle page. Me not ask you no.
Yeah.
But like Mother's Day, I always do something, because you know, I lose my mother and them something there, so it's a really special day that for me when I just hold her vibes. And stew peas are really mother special too.
I was going to ask you, what is your special, what's your
Favorite dish?
Your dish of choice to eat
Yeah,
here?
stew peas.
Stew peas?
And then he take it Toya, man. That's why she can't live for you.
Stew peas are my favorite dish. Like, I cook it every Wednesday.
And one thing we do, you know, it's because them come here every day. Ruxie one day can start going and say, no, say, boy, that's why if some people come look for me, because every day they must come looking for no reason at
Yeah,
all.
man, we're not boring no time, man. Very, very active, man. Remember, we have Pretty, we have TC, we have Rebel, we have Dolly Body.
Polly.
Me have Polly. Remember, me started with Isabella. And you know, me and Anna really good right now, so And me was really the content, so I can really do it with anybody.
Yeah.
So, and that's why Toya come in. And I want to tell her, say, she can't even walk in peace, you know.
People them a murder me in the streets.
Food and bad mind if food.
Yeah,
But I one thing, I know want two things for certain. Hold up.
Persons want to follow you, your social media handles.
Real DJ Ruxie,
And how the Ruxie spell?
Ruxie. And TikTok, the same thing.
And for you too?
Sexy Toya tweet,
But
sexy with the eye.
With sexy Toya too, okay.
Yeah.
I food make you sexy.
I don't know Toya now.
That do a lot. That do a lot to her, for sure.
So guys, thank you so much. That was television host Toya, aka Tweety,
Yes.
and DJ Ruxie. So after the break, we're getting into the spirit of Cinco de Mayo.
Okay, so come.
DJ Romel and the ones and trees.
Hey, hey, yeah, see mash up again. Hey, hey.